guys, it's Amira again, and for today, let's go outside and take a look what Jason have. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Ikot lang tayo. And
Aisha, Aisha, écoute-moi. Aisha, Aisha, t'en vas pas. Aisha, Aisha, regarde-moi. Aisha, Aisha, réponds-moi. Je dirai les mots.
it's the one mall, no?
Je jouerai les musiques du ciel. Je prendrai les rayons du soleil.
So guys, we are here. Look at here in the sunset. So nice here guys. Look at the sunset guys. Sinong nagsasabing ang Saudi Arabia ay puro disyerto lang? Look at that guys. Let's move around the sea. So nice. So guys, sayang kasi may island dito guys. It's called Parasan Island. So when we reach here, we discover that we need a book in advance to go there para dun sa ferry. So sayang kasi ang maganda daw doon, and inshallah next time makapunta tayo doon. Sayang asawa. So guys, we will go for a drive-through. So there is a famous coffee shop here in Saudi Arabia. It's called Half M or Half Million. So I'm gonna show you guys. So ayan siya guys. This is one of the famous coffee shop here. Trending na coffee shop. So mag-order tayo guys.
السلام عليكم، كيف حالك؟ الله يعزك اخوي. حابب واحد دبل اكسبريسو دبل شوت.
دبل اسبريسو 13 ريال.
نو بروبلم.
تمام.
واحد
هو يجي دبل اسبريسو لحاله ب 8 ريال.
Caramel macchiato.
وواحد كراميل ماكياتو.
واحد لا كراميل بيكات ما عندنا.
Strawberry
عندنا
matcha.
بلاك وايت لاتيه.
ستروبري ماتشا. ستروبري ماتشا.
ميديم سايز.
يس.
اوكي حاب تاخذ سويت حلا؟
لا بس.
تاخذ 33 تفضل.
الله يحفظك.
تريبل وواحد ما تفرق.
شكرا.
So guys, bakit wala silang caramel macchiato? Sabihin nyo nga sa akin. Bakit? They are famous and they don't have caramel macchiato.
They have their specific menu.
Oh, okay.
It's a specific menu for them. This strawberry matcha, these things.
So I ordered strawberry matcha. So let's check guys. You know what? They have this famous tumbler. They can, you will buy that one and you can put engrave your name and anything you want to engrave. But I don't need one. Do I need one?
in Jeddah.
We'll see in Jeddah. So guys, I ordered strawberry matcha, and for Mr. it's triple espresso. Not double, it's triple. Let's see if this half million. Sana all.
Looks creamy, that one.
I don't know if this one it's or only strawberry syrup. I think only strawberry syrup. Let's try. Try. But
It's nice.
strawberry matcha. See, ang cute. Cutie, cutie! Ang ganda ng kulay. See the color? It's green and pink.
Maybe they will tell you first sponsor.
I don't think so.
No, this is, I know that. It's one business. It's a local businessman.
That's nice.
It's a coffee.
Let's try this triple espresso. Guys. Makatulog pa kaya tayo mamaya.
It's good coffee.
Yeah. They use premium beans.
Yeah. It's only to try, not to have dinner. Ano
Sorry.
ba yan?
You serious?
Espresso, yani if you keep drinking it will be finished.
So nice, guys. Okay, let's see. Guys, look what I found here. It's a Shein store. You see? What we found, Shein store. Let's check inside. $23. Sleepwear.
Take if you like.
Let's go to that mall. Better, guys. We're here, guys, in the mall. Yung Shein store na yun kanina. So, parang returning items lang siya ng Shein. So, empty. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Al Rashid Mall. Check tayo, guys. Asawa, did you see what I'm seeing up down? That one?
No, Adidas? It's prohibited brand.
Prohibited. So let's find out. Oh, they have good abaya. But it's too expensive, you know? It's 159. That is 99. 159. There is red tag. Wait. This is what? Brands. See this Puma, it's nice. It's like the Tokyo. Adidas Tokyo.
Take a look for the prices that you will go inside and you will not go inside.
160.
Hmm?
160. Starting 160. So let's check inside, guys. See, they have this one. I think this is just a cup.
Of course.
See, Nike Dio. 250. Let's see, let's check. They have Ipanema. 46. 57.
Get the sleeper.
Hmm?
Buy a sleeper.
I like this one, but I don't know if this is
Which one?
this.
Yeah.
Euro 39.
Yeah. What size are you looking for?
39, it's okay. Yeah. I need this one. This.
That's your car.
Card. $69. Here, 39. You see? One t-shirt. Why no? Socks. I'll buy for you socks. $59. Here. This is the part I really like. Let's go here, guys. See my shoes. $249 na lang, guys. Let's see here. Hi. Do you have this Tokyo? Adidas Tokyo? No? They don't have. Thank you. Let's go here. There. Hi guys, we're back home. And I got blister on my feet. Oh my goodness. I get blister. Ah. It's painful, guys. Ay. I bought sleeper. Then this is what we bought. I wear already the sleeper, guys, so I remove my shoes. And I bought this one. It's like a Hermes. Hermes. It's like Hermes. Hermes ng Saudi. Charis. So cute. See? Nakita na ako ng ano. Nakita na ako sa kanya. Maliit lang siya pero dapat talaga siya Hermes kasi may ganito din siya. Oo. Then, extra slim. Pero hindi siya Hermes, guys. Wala siyang ano, wala siyang logo. So guys, diyan ko na tinatapos ang ating video for today and magluluto pa ako ng dinner namin. Time check, it's 9:19. So, magdi-dinner kami by 10. Hindi kami kumain sa labas, guys, kasi nga saving. Saving. So, hindi kami kumain sa labas kasi nga meron pa kaming pagkain. And magluluto lang ako ng means. Siguro ipa-fry ko lang siya or gagawin ko siyang patty. Tapos, yun lang. So guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to like these videos, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, so please do click subscribe button and see you on my next video. Bye!